In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into OneDrive account. Microsoft 365 OneDrive login online from computer PC 5 minutes. We'll walk through signing into your Microsoft account on a computer and opening OneDrive in your web browser. This is perfect if you want quick access to your files without installing any apps. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Microsoft.com. On the top right of the page, look for the Sign In button and click it. This takes you to the Microsoft Sign In page where you'll connect your account before heading into OneDrive. Enter the email address that's associated with your Microsoft account, then select Next. If you're using a work or school account, you might see an option to choose between personal and organizational accounts. Select the one that matches your login. On the next screen, type your password and choose Sign In. If you don't remember it, use the Forgot Password link to reset it securely. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked to verify your identity with a code or an authenticator prompt. Just follow the on-screen instructions and continue. Next, Microsoft may ask if you want to stay signed in. Clicking yes keeps you logged in on this browser so you won't have to enter your credentials every time. If you're on a shared or public computer, choose no for privacy and security. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Microsoft account or Microsoft 365 homepage. To access OneDrive, open the app launcher, the small grid of 9 dots, often called the waffle, usually in the top left corner. Click it to open the app menu. In the menu, select OneDrive. If you don't see it right away, click All Apps to expand the full list and then choose OneDrive from there. OneDrive will open in a new tab. If a OneDrive page asks you to sign in again, click Sign In and it will use the same Microsoft account you just authenticated with. If you have multiple accounts, you may be prompted to pick the one you want to use. You're now in OneDrive. You should see your files and folders, and your account icon in the corner will confirm you're signed in with the correct profile. For quick access next time, consider bookmarking the page. If you're on a shared device, remember to sign out when you're done by clicking your profile icon and choosing Sign Out. That's it, your Microsoft account is connected and OneDrive is ready to use in your browser.